Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: VPC Endpoints and Flow Logs. Virtual Private Cloud Endpoints and Flow Logs are critical components in AWS networking, playing essential roles in securing, managing, and monitoring your cloud resources. Understanding these elements is vital for achieving an efficient and secure cloud architecture, essential for anyone preparing for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. VPC endpoints provide a secure and scalable way to connect your VPCs to AWS services without exposing your traffic to the public internet. Essentially, VPC endpoints are the gateway that allows your VPC to communicate with other AWS services securely. There are two types of VPC endpoints: interface endpoints and gateway endpoints. Interface endpoints use AWS Private Link to securely connect your VPC to services powered by AWS Private Link, such as Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud and Amazon Simple Storage Service. Gateway endpoints, on the other hand, are used exclusively for S3 and DynamoDB, providing a more cost-effective solution for accessing these services. Utilizing VPC endpoints has several advantages, including improved security, reduced latency, and lower costs. By keeping the traffic within the AWS network, you minimize the risk of data interception and reduce latency because the traffic does not traverse the public internet. Additionally, VPC endpoints eliminate the need for NAT gateways or VPN connections, thereby reducing costs. For example, consider a scenario where a company needs to transfer large volumes of data between their EC2 instances and S3 buckets. By using S3 gateway endpoints, the data transfer remains within the AWS network, ensuring secure and efficient data handling. VPC flow logs, on the other hand, are pivotal for monitoring and troubleshooting network traffic within your VPC. Flow logs capture information about the IP traffic going to and from network interfaces in your VPC. This data is invaluable for various purposes, such as monitoring network traffic patterns, diagnosing security issues, and ensuring compliance with internal policies and external regulations. Flow logs can capture accepted and rejected traffic, providing a comprehensive view of the network activity. The creation and management of VPC flow logs are straightforward. You can enable flow logs for VPCs, subnets, or individual network interfaces. The logs are then sent to either Amazon CloudWatch Logs or Amazon S3, where they can be analyzed further. For instance, a financial institution might enable VPC flow logs to monitor and analyze network traffic for suspicious activity, ensuring compliance with stringent regulatory requirements. By analyzing flow logs, the institution can detect patterns indicative of potential security breaches and take proactive measures to mitigate risks. One of the critical features of VPC flow logs is their ability to provide granular visibility into your network traffic. This visibility is crucial for identifying and resolving network issues rapidly. For example, suppose you notice a sudden spike in rejected traffic in your VPC flow logs. In that case, you can investigate further to determine whether this is due to a misconfiguration in security group rules or a potential security threat. This level of insight is instrumental in maintaining a robust and secure network infrastructure. Moreover, VPC flow logs are invaluable for conducting forensic investigations. In the event of a security incident, flow logs can provide a detailed record of network activity, helping you trace the source and scope of the breach. This capability is critical for understanding how the breach occurred, what data might have been compromised, and how to prevent similar incidents in the future. The integration of VPC endpoints and flow logs into your AWS environment necessitates a strategic approach to ensure optimal performance and security. When designing your VPC architecture, it is essential to identify which services require VPC endpoints and configure them accordingly. For example, if your application relies heavily on S3 for storage, setting up S3 gateway endpoints can significantly enhance performance and security. Similarly, enabling VPC flow logs for critical subnets and network interfaces ensures you have comprehensive visibility into your network traffic. It is also important to consider the cost implications of using VPC endpoints and flow logs. While VPC endpoints can reduce costs by eliminating the need for NAT gateways, they do incur data processing charges. Therefore, it is crucial to evaluate your data transfer patterns and estimate the associated costs. Similarly, VPC flow logs generate data that is stored in CloudWatch logs or S3, incurring storage costs. By carefully managing the volume of flow logs and setting appropriate retention policies, you can optimize costs while maintaining the necessary level of visibility and monitoring. In conclusion, VPC endpoints and flow logs are indispensable tools for securing, managing, and monitoring your AWS environment. VPC endpoints provide a secure, scalable, and cost-effective way to connect your VPC to AWS services, while VPC flow logs offer granular visibility into network traffic, aiding in monitoring, troubleshooting, and forensic investigations. By strategically integrating these components into your VPC architecture, you can enhance the security, performance, and cost-effectiveness of your AWS infrastructure, positioning yourself for success in the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam and beyond. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.